Welcome to another 60-second lesson with Snackable Marketing. Today we're going to be learning how to find the font on any website. So a popular extension that I use is called WhatFont. You download it to your Google Chrome. When you download it, it's going to pop up right here as this little F as a question mark. To get to this, however, you can just simply type in WhatFont Google Chrome, and the first entry usually pops up. That's what you need to get to. So what you want to do is go to a website whose font you really admire. Mine would be this, and click on that F in that question mark. Drag and click on any part of the font that you're interested in, and it's going to give you all the information, the size, the line height, the color, I mean, you name it, it gives you the whole nine. And you can do this on various parts of the website. And just to exit out of it, you just click on it again, and you're good to go. Thanks.